What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix a problem when your NVIDIA Control Panel is not showing up on your Windows PC. First, search for NVIDIA Control Panel in your Start menu search. It should show up in your search results. After launching the program, click on Desktop in the top navigation and make sure the Add Desktop context menu option is enabled. Otherwise, it will not show up when you right-click on your desktop. Also, for Windows 11 users, you will have to click on Show More Options when right-clicking your desktop to find the NVIDIA Control Panel option. If the NVIDIA Control Panel application is not showing up at all, then the service might be stopped. Search for Services in your Start menu to open your Windows Services Manager. On this window, select any service and start typing NVIDIA to find the NVIDIA Display Container LS service. Right-click the service to access its properties. On this window, make sure it's running and that the Startup Type option is set to Automatic. This will make sure that the NVIDIA Control Panel services start on system boot. Lastly, if none of these steps helped you out, you'll be required to update your graphics card's driver by downloading the latest driver manually on NVIDIA.com or by using the NVIDIA app. In this example, we will make use of the NVIDIA app. Head to nvidia.com/software/NVIDIA app to access this page and start the download before installing the NVIDIA app to your system. Next, launch the NVIDIA app. You're not required to log in to proceed. Head to the driver section and from here select either the Game Ready driver or the Studio driver before downloading and installing it to your system. This will improve the performance of your graphics card and allow you to use all other NVIDIA products, such as the NVIDIA Control Panel. You might be required to restart your PC after making all of these changes. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.